Start by boiling about 2 quarts of water. Bring that to a full boil and add about a half a bag of your egg noodles. Cook that to desired tenderness. Add some salt and a little bit of oil, keeps those noodles from sticking together. After they're done, do not drain the noodles. Just go ahead and add a can of cream of chicken soup or cream of mushroom soup if you prefer that. Mix that well. And then you're going to go ahead and add your 3 cans of tuna and a teaspoon of dill weed if you have it. If not, that's fine. It's just as good without it. Mix that well and then set that aside. Get out a very large skillet or another large pan and put in a 1/4 cup of shortening or grease or oil, whatever you have, and a 1/4 cup of flour. It can be self-rising or all-purpose. It really doesn't matter. Add a teaspoon of salt to that. Brown it really well. And when it's brown, add 4 cups of milk. Continue to stir that until it thickens. And that may seem like a lot, but it will thicken. Go ahead and add pepper to taste. When it starts thickening, go ahead and turn the heat off and put in 1 8-ounce pack of cream cheese. Leave the heat off and stir the cream cheese around until it fully melts. And that'll just take 4 or 5 minutes. After that, go ahead and pour it in your pot with the noodles. Mix that all together. Taste it to see if you need any more salt or pepper or anything else you might like to add. Just continue to mix that up and then serve it up. You can add some cheese, cheddar cheese or whatever you like on top of it, but you don't have to. This is delicious. It'll warm you up and fill you up. I hope you make this easy recipe. Let me know. Until next time, see ya.